Hello children, in this video we are going to learn the one of the most important theorem, Pythagoras theorem. This is the last theorem in this chapter, triangle chapter. We'll see the statement what they have given and you have to understand the statement correctly, then you can prove the theorem. Here this theorem they will give as a state and prove Pythagoras theorem. You have to remember the statement also. First we'll see the statement what they have given. They will not give the statement in the exam, just they will give state and prove Pythagoras theorem. You will only remember the statement. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Right triangle means in a triangle, one angle will be equal to 90 degree. That triangle is called as a right angle triangle. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90 degrees called as a hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Here I considered one right angle triangle. You have to draw the diagram. After writing the statement in the theorem, you have to draw the diagram. Here I already drawn the diagram. Diagram is triangle ABC. Here in this triangle ABC, here 90 degrees there at a vertex is B, then opposite of angle B is AC. AC is a hypotenuse here. So in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse means AC square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, then remaining two sides. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square we want to prove here. So we have to write the statement first, then you have to draw the diagram. Then you have to write the given here. What they have given in this statement, you have to write it. Given I will write first. What they have given here? Triangle ABC is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, right angled at right angled at B means angle B is equal to 90 degree. At the vertex is B, 90 degrees there. This is a given. Next we have to write to prove. What we have to prove here? Just now I told you while explaining the statement, we have to prove AC square means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, AB square plus sum of the squares of the other two sides, BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square we want to prove here. For that we have to do one construction here. Construction I already did in the diagram. Here this dotted line, this BD is perpendicular to AC. We have to draw BD perpendicular to, means here it is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. BD is perpendicular to AC. Here after doing this construction, means after drawing BD perpendicular to AC, this triangle ABC is dividing into two triangles. Those are ABD and DBC. This is bigger triangle ABC is dividing into ABD and BDC. So to prove this result, we have to see the proof now. Proof we'll see. First we have to consider, after constructing this BD line, we got two smaller triangles I told you. So here first we have to consider triangle ABC, this bigger triangle, and the ABD, and we have to prove those two triangles are similar. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, ABC and ABD we have to consider, and we should prove those two triangles are similar. How we can prove those two triangles are similar? here in triangle ABC also 90 degrees there, in ABD also 90 degrees there. So those two angles I can write as a equal. So angle ABC in triangle ABC is equal to angle BDA in triangle ABD is equal to 90 degrees there. Here in triangle ABD, here it is 90 degree. In triangle ABC, here it is 90 degree. Full angle is 90 degree here. So one more, in triangle ABC also A is there. In triangle ABD is also A is there. So a common angle is there. So I can write in triangle ABC, you can write BAC. BAC is equal to BAD. This is common for both. Common angle for both the triangles. So two angles are equal means by AA criteria we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD by AA criteria. Now if these two triangles are similar means corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Which are the two corresponding sides we have to consider here? Here in triangle ABC 90 degrees, in triangle ABC 90 degrees here. Here 90 degrees there, opposite side of the 90 degrees AC divided by in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD here 90 degrees there, 90 degree opposite AB means AC is corresponding to AB in a triangle ABD it is. So these are corresponding sides is equal to, here this angle A is common for both the triangle. Don't consider this angle. If you don't consider this angle, one more remaining angle will be in a triangle ABC. Here I already considered 90 degree and I written common angle don't consider, then remaining angle will be C in a triangle ABC. C opposite side is AB in a triangle ABC. So AB divided by, in the triangle ABD 90 degree we already considered. Don't consider the common angle, then remaining angle will be B here. So B opposite is AD. This AD side we have to consider AD. Now we have to cross multiply it. This you transfer here, this you transfer here. Then AC into AD is equal to, here AB is there, here also AB is there, is equal to AB square. This you take as equation 1. Now similarly we can prove ABC and DBC are similar. Now we have to consider in triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Now that time with this triangle we consider, now I am considering this one BDC, and same thing 90 degree we'll consider first. In triangle ABC, B is the 90 degree. ABC is equal to, in triangle BDC at vertices D 90 degrees there, so I can write BDC is equal to 90 degree. Now common angle is there here also. So in triangle ABC, BCA is equal to BCD is common. By AA criteria we can say that, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC by AA criteria. Now similarly we can write a corresponding sides, like here we have written, no, like that only we have to write for these two triangles also. Now in a triangle ABC 90 degree opposite is AC only. AC divided by, in a triangle BDC here 90 degrees there, this is BC is equal to, here also we should not consider the common angle. In triangle ABC common angle is C, so don't consider C, then A opposite BC is there, BC divided by, in the triangle C angle you should not consider, 90 degree we considered already, then B vertices will remain, so DC. Now cross multiply it. BC transfer here, DC transfer here. AC into DC is equal to BC square. This is equation 2. Now we have to add equation 1 and the equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is AC into AD plus, here right side, left side what is there, that only we should add with the left side, right side with the right side. AC plus DC. Here AC into AD plus AC into DC is equal to, here AB square is there, so equal to AB square plus BC square. Now here also AC square is there, AC square is there, you can take common. AC square, if you take common, inside what remains, here AD plus here DC will remain. DC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square, sorry, this is AC only, AC. Now you observe the diagram. AD plus DC means AC we can write AD plus DC means I can write in place of AD plus DC, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC into AC is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the result we want to prove. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is a Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is very important for 4 marks and they may ask for 5 marks also. In this year question paper they have asked for 5 marks. Please practice this theorem and understand it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.